Did you know that the LPG cylinder you use in your home every day begins its journey deep beneath the earth, from crude oil buried underground? It may seem ordinary, but the story behind LPG is anything but simple. It is a fascinating journey where energy stored for millions of years is transformed into a clean and useful fuel through modern technology. When crude oil is extracted from the ground, it is in its raw form, thick, dark, and filled with a mixture of different chemicals. This raw oil cannot be used directly. That is why it is transported to a refinery, where an incredible process begins, one that perfectly combines science and engineering. Every step in the refinery is carefully designed to separate crude oil into valuable products such as petrol, diesel, and LPG. In this video, you will discover how a dark, seemingly useless liquid is converted into one of the safest and cleanest fuels used in homes around the world. Once crude oil arrives at the refinery, the first step is heating it at extremely high temperatures until it begins to boil. The heated oil is then sent into a massive structure called a distillation column, often considered the heart of the refinery. This process works on a fascinating scientific principle. Every liquid has a different boiling point. As crude oil heats up, its components vaporize at different temperatures and rise through the tower. Heavier components remain near the bottom, while lighter components move.
At the top of the tower, gases begin to collect, and these gases are the key ingredients for producing LPG. The process is so precise that different products are collected at different levels, meaning a single source of crude oil can produce multiple valuable fuels. It almost feels like science performing magic. However, the gases collected at the top are not ready to use immediately. They undergo further refining to separate gases such as propane and butane, the two primary components of LPG. These gases are naturally very light and can easily mix with air, which makes controlling them extremely important. Refineries use advanced purification systems to remove unwanted impurities and ensure the gases are safe and efficient. At this stage, LPG still exists in gas form, but to store it inside cylinders, it must be converted into liquid form. This is achieved through high pressure. As pressure increases, the gas transforms into liquid, allowing large quantities of LPG to be stored inside a compact cylinder. Once liquefied, LPG is stored in massive tanks before distribution begins. Safety is the highest priority here, as LPG is highly flammable.
The next stage is cylinder filling. Empty cylinders are first inspected thoroughly to ensure there are no leaks or safety risks. Then, automated machines fill each cylinder with an exact quantity of LPG. The process is incredibly precise. Every cylinder is carefully weighed to ensure accuracy. After filling, the cylinders are sealed and transported by trucks, eventually reaching homes like yours. Think about it. Behind every LPG cylinder you use lies an extraordinary journey, powered by advanced technology and engineering. But here is an interesting question. If LPG is so dangerous, how are we able to smell a gas leak? The surprising truth is that pure LPG is actually odorless. The strong smell you notice is not natural. At the refinery, a special chemical called an odorant is added to LPG for safety purposes. Its purpose is simple yet life-saving. If a gas leak occurs, people can immediately detect the smell and take action. Imagine the risk if LPG had no odor at all. This small step helps save countless lives every day. That is why gas smells should never be ignored. They are warning signals designed to protect you from danger. Once the LPG cylinder reaches your home, its final purpose begins: cooking.